Good morning. Here we are again with our talks about digital transformation. I made a little bit of a summary. So we talked about good, cheap and fast in the first episode. And we talked about, do you know what to achieve or you don't know? And if you don't know, what type of analysis you then can do. Third step is that you talk about ambitions and KPIs. Just to clarify a little bit on that, a KPI is a key performance indicator, and it basically means an indicator of success. Very simple example, if you want to measure your health, you can use as a KPI your body temperature. The KPI itself doesn't specify anything about what a good value is for that indicator. Only if you know a value you can talk about, is this what I want or is this not what I want? So you need to make a little table where you specify what is my KPI, what is my current status in that field, and what is the target. Let's say my turnaround time for delivery to my customers now, KPI, now is maybe 5 days, your target is 3 days. So that's how you set that up. Next part, and that's what we'll talk about now, point 4, is how to improve. And very important, what else? How to improve is very much about how are we going to achieve the targets that we have set? How are we going to achieve the ambitions that we have for our company? That requires brainstorming and thinking and discussion with yourself, the team, maybe with your suppliers and your customers. What else is an important one? It's a bit more, what shall we say? It's a bit more random. It's a little bit less structured, but you have to think about, what am I doing now that I potentially can do completely different? And then I'm thinking, for instance, about a hardware store that not only talks about how to improve the service of the customers in the store, but also thinks about opening a web store. It can also be about internationalization. It can be about a company operating in Singapore that says, yes, but why are we limiting ourselves to Singapore? Why are we not going to go to Malaysia or to any of the other countries in Southeast Asia, or maybe even, why don't we go global? No. Both these topics, both these chapters need brainstorming. Yeah. And that is exactly what we will talk about the next time. I'm not a big fan of the expression thinking out of the box, but that is what is necessary. You have to start thinking about solutions. Step away from the problem, think about what is possible, which potentials do we have in our business, and what can we try and achieve. All right, brainstorming. Next time.